How's it going? What's up and what's happening? Blessed billionaire, beautiful souls. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for being here, my special community. I appreciate you all very, very insanely and beautifully much so. Thanks for being here. All right. Let's get a little knuckles up there. Thanks, guys. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about one cryptocurrency that really does not need any sort of introduction. I do love this cryptocurrency. I do own some of it. I'm not sponsored by it. And yeah, essentially, this is a cryptocurrency that you probably would absolutely love having in your portfolio. And I hope that you do have it in your portfolio, because I have spoken about it previously, and I have said to you that this will be one of the big daddies in the crypto space at one point. I have said to you previously that it's unlikely well, who knows what could happen, but it's unlikely that anytime soon it could flip Bitcoin. Now you know what I'm talking about. So let's not waste any more time. Ethereum is sitting at number 2. I love Ethereum. The only problem I have personally with Ethereum is that the gas fees are just insane. They are just ludicrously insane. And essentially, we want Ethereum to get the gas fees down. Get them down, Ethereum. Work on your asses to get them down, man. It's on nearly 1.2 million people's watch list. That's a big amount of watch lists. Currently sitting at 1815, so sitting strong above the 1800 level today. And it has currently got a market cap of just under 220 billion. There's no infinite supply, and there are burning supply, so this is all there will ever be. So 120 million Ethereum, and that's all there will ever be going forward. So fully diluted valuation is pretty much the same as the market cap, and the trading volume was 6 billion in the past 24 hours. So that's crazy, crazy beautiful. You can see where Ethereum came from. Imagine you bought Ethereum at $1. Hey? Imagine that. And then it pumped. I mean, that was way back in 2016. Shit, guys. If I was back in there at that time, I would have spent all my money in Ethereum. Okay, because look where it is today. Look where it's been. It went all the way to 5,000. If you literally bought it down here at $1 and you sold it up there perfectly, just imagine you did it perfectly. That's a 5,000x per one coin. Shit. Man, that's great. So anyways, if you can only afford to invest $100 in Ethereum, that's how much Ethereum you have. If you can invest $1,000 in Ethereum, you'd have half an Ethereum. So yeah, it's still good. Ethereum is definitely going to be pumping. I think Ethereum can hit $15,000 to $20,000 no problem in the future, and that would literally just be a 4x on its market. Well, actually, from where it is about a 10x on its market cap. So to give us about a $2.2 trillion price. On this right now. Now, considering where all things are in crypto, it's doable, but it will need a couple trillion, and I'm talking about maybe 10-20 trillion dollars to come into the crypto space. And of course, we right now know that we're just sitting at the $1.1 trillion market cap, so that's also about a 20, hopefully a 30x on crypto in its entirety, which would be insane, guys. You have no idea how much money will come into this space in the future. Okay, all-time low 43 cents. Yes, imagine buying it at 43 cents. We're now 420,000% above the all-time high, above the all-time low 7 years ago, and we're 62% down from the all-time high. So it's not bad in comparison to other coins. We all know what Ethereum is. We don't need any introduction to it. But Ethereum is a community-run technology powering cryptocurrency Ether and thousands of decentralized applications. Come over here, check it out, use a dApp, start building, do what you need to on Ethereum, and yeah, it's a fairer financial system. Yes, it is, except for the gas fees, which people wouldn't think that it's fair. And it is the Internet of Assets. So it's an open internet source. And it's definitely a new frontier for Ethereum. So this is the total amount of value that is locked in DeFi. This is the amount of nodes that are running. This is the transactions today, and this is the Ethereum price right now. Now, Ethereum is also burning. So we do know that it is burning, and it is growing in that manner. So yeah, you can come over here and just check everything out about Ethereum. I don't need to talk too much on the video about it, but I do want to just really show you some of this and show you the technical analysis. So it's pretty much doing what Bitcoin is doing. We hit this little level of resistance. Interestingly so, if I had to actually pull this little square all the way across there, look at where it's really bringing us. So this chart only goes back to 21 July, but I'm showing you this one because I'm showing you today. I'm not looking at the history of it right now. We know where it's been, we know where it's come from. There is an upward sloping trend here that, in my personal view, we're under this major level of support. So we broke down the support level, we retested this down slope. You can see there's a bit of a bullish channel forming. The RSI is also resetting, so I do think that we could probably sit back around the 1700 level, if not back down at about the 1600 level, and that would be an okay place to go and buy and scoop up as much as you can. The other scenario is like Bitcoin. If we fail past this support level 2, we've already failed support 1, so we're on the way to support 2. If we fail support 2, the likelihood of us breaking this upward sloping trend and kind of hitting this strong level of support here would be very high, and then this would be the target back down at about 1200, 1300 Ethereum price per Ethereum. So that would be very interesting to see. And of course, just dollar cost average into the position, guys. At the end of the day, you want to just accumulate whatever you can at the best possible price. That's the point, right? So don't buy over here, buy down here. Don't buy over here, buy here, right? It's, you know, sell there and buy here is what the indicators are also telling you, what the RSI is also telling you. So yeah, I hope you guys can make good cash. I do own some Ethereum myself, not much, but I do own, and I have converted my Ethereum into Cosmos, as I did on my one video. I did show you that video that I did here. Yeah, this one. Go check that video out, guys. It's a video very much worth watching, and I can assure you of that. So it's a very good project. We know Ethereum's got a long way ahead of it, and honestly, guys, Ethereum could probably hit the 15,000-20,000 mark, no problem. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you guys can get more content like this. So just one last thing, once we find some level of support within this zone kind of here, okay, we will find support, and it will give us enough power and momentum, hopefully from this level here, this 1700 level, to just literally smash this line, maybe find resistance, and then clobber that. Once we clobber that, where does this go to? Well, here's the next level of hard resistance right there. So that's about 2,700 on Ethereum. So it's a good potential. It's got a good potential for a trade as well. And honestly, if you are trading this with leverage, then you can see that we're kind of rolling over currently. So be patient, wait for the entry. If you want to short it, that's great, but shorting is very, very risky right now. So just be very cautious. And yeah, I guess, yeah, we'll see you on the next one.